Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Get Reviewed. So it's been a long that we have not uploaded any videos on our channel. So been started to upload the new videos. So now the video is about WhatsApp hidden tricks. So there are many lots of hidden tricks of the WhatsApp which you all don't know. So I'm gonna show you by one, and I will know I will show you one by one, and let us see which are those tricks. So let's start. Let's go to the WhatsApp app, and I'm going to show you all the apps which are I'm going to show all the tricks of the WhatsApp. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have opened my WhatsApp. So the first trick is about if you want to see someone's status without knowing them that you have watched their status, so how you can do. So this feature is available in your settings of WhatsApp. So let me show you. So you have to go to the settings, then account, and then you have to go to the privacy. So after going to privacy, there is an option called read receipt. So you have to just disable this. So as you have disabled this, so as you can see, now the status is come over here. So as you can see over here, so I'm gonna click on this because I have closed the read receipt option. So I'm gonna open. So as you can see, I have viewed the image. So now let's go to the second trick. So the second trick is that how to find that the person has blocked you or not. To know that, you just had to create a group, and you have to add the person whom you want to add. So yes, I have added, and you have to just click over here. Then you have to name anything in the group. So it has been named. So as you can see, so if the person who has blocked you, he or she can't be added in this group, that means you can know that he has been or she has been blocked you. So that's it. So the next trick we're gonna go. So the next trick is about to know how much storage a person in your contact has been taking, like how much messages or media like images, videos you have shared to a particular person. To know about that, you have to just go to your settings, then you have to go to network usage, and here you can see network usage and storage. So you have to just click over here, and then you can see all here. It shows how much MB you have shared to a person. So this is the another trick. So by going over here, you can see all this, how much text, contacts, photos you have shared. So you can click over here, and you can just delete the items which all you needed. So you can see, click over here, then deleted, and this was the another trick. So let's go to the another one. So the second trick is that, so which is available in your status. So as you can see, so the feature is that if you want to set that the particular your status has to be seen by a particular person. So as you know that it is in this status privacy. So here you can get my contacts, means the status which I have uploaded, it will be only seen by your contacts. Then my contact accept the person who have you selected. So accept this. So this option accept this, when the person who I have selected, the status will be not shown to them, and rather than that all people can see the status. So the next one is share only with. So as you can see, the person whom you want to watch your status, you have to just select over here, and then you have to just select over it, then your story will be seen by that particular person whom you selected to watch, that it has been to view that person. So this was the another trick. So let's move on to the next trick. So the next trick is about the lock which you have applied for your WhatsApp for your privacy and all, to keep your contacts, all the information in your WhatsApp to be privacy. So let us go to that option to give the security for your WhatsApp. So here is the new feature. So you have to just go to your account, then go to the privacy option, and as you can see over here, so you can get a fingerprint. So as you enable it, so you can see it's been showing touch the fingerprint sensor. So yeah, and it has some options over here, immediately or after 1 minute or after 30 minutes. So I have selected after 1 minute. Show content on notification, and so let's go and see that. So as you can see, it needs the fingerprint to open. So the WhatsApp lock is unlocked. So these were the hidden tricks of the WhatsApp which I wanted to show you. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then do share, subscribe to my channel, and please comment down below if you have any other questions related which I have to show in my videos. So thank you so much for watching this video.